How to get free stocks. Stocks have always been a great long-term investment. But what many people don't know is that there is a way to get your purchase price of your stocks down to zero. And that is by using options. So you go to an exchange that provides option trading. And instead of buying stocks directly, you start selling put options. This basically means that you are willing to buy shares at the lower price in exchange for a premium from people that want a fixed sales prices. You keep doing this until you have the stock in your portfolio. At that time, you start selling call options saying that you are willing to sell at a certain price in exchange for premium. Once your stock is sold, you start over. The premium that you collect will reduce your purchase price over time to zero.